Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I will do it forever. Like, share and subscribe. Please find more details in the description. This video is for beginners. So let's find a length of a string today, text today. So I have given some information here, few inputs, and we'll see the output. Let's get into the cell C12. Let's input the formula equal to, we need to enter equal to, and then type len length, and then select the input A12 and then hit OK or enter. So now 19 is the length of I will do it forever. Let us take that formula for all the inputs. So here space is also considered as a character. In the last A space B is 3.